Renew Vitamin C Cream is the second product in the Eliminate Age Defense System. It targets fine lines, and with a high concentration of vitamin C, it can go to work to stimulate the production of collagen in your skin. Now, vitamin C is one of nature's best antioxidants, so with continued use, you can expect to see younger, stronger, less damaged looking skin. Now, not all skincare products have the same quality or percentage of vitamin C. Many skincare companies add vitamin C to their anti-aging products, along with a list of 30 or more ingredients. Now, the problem with this is it dilutes the formula and the effectiveness of the vitamin C. Vitamin C is a superstar ingredient, and it really deserves its own product. Renew is formulated with 16 ingredients, and the number one active ingredient is a pharmaceutical grade vitamin C that goes to work to stimulate the production of collagen in your skin. We recommend using Renew in the morning on clean skin and layering the Restore Moisturizing Day Cream directly on top and leaving it on throughout the day. Now, this is a natural, non-invasive way to reverse the signs of aging in your skin. You can find Renew Vitamin C Cream and the Eliminate Age Defense System at shopwholestory.com, and continue to stay with us so that you can get the whole story.